Hello everybody, today is Casey. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture and all the imagery on YouTube on mobile device. So first of all, let's see what happens if I open the app. As you know, it doesn't allow, but just to prove it I'm going to show you. So what? So I'll go to my channel here, and as you can see, I can if I go to settings, I can change my name, I can change my bio, I can change confidentiality stuff and everything, but I can't change profile picture or banner on the Watermark. But there is a way to do it. So let me show you how. Right. First of all, open your Chrome browser. So before I do that, I'm just gonna close off this. Let's open it up. Now, once you have opened your browser, well, you can do this on any browser actually, not just Chrome. Your browser, ensure that you select website settings as desktop website, so that your phone would display YouTube, but with the blue check mark, so you put it on Chrome. Like this. After that, you open your YouTube Studio, like I'm going to show you in a minute. It needs to load in. Now, in the YouTube Studio, you go to settings and now customization, and from there, as you can see, I have already selected customization. Customization is already selected for me. Right here. Then I'll go to the top here and select the branding. Now, here you can change your profile picture, your banner, and of course your watermark. That is on the bottom right corner of your video. But you can change it here too. You can customize it however you want. So yeah, that's how easy it is to do it on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and of course join my Discord server. Follow me on Twitter, and yeah, I got Instagram too, so follow there too. Thanks for watching again, and stay safe. Peace out.